Hey guys, just hold on before I turn on my camera. I sent you downstairs to bring my t-shirt because look, I'm sitting here waiting to get my t-shirt. How silly. She is using her mind. कि हम अभी थोड़ी change करेंगे. Why did I send you downstairs? मैंने क्यों भेजा तुम्हें? Crazy. Akansha, go get my t-shirt. Don't come with an answer. Come with my t-shirt. Unbelievable. Silly, you know? See what you guys have been. सच बता रहा हूं तुम्हें. अगर ये मेरे साथ 1-2 साल रही होती और इसने ऐसा किया होता, या तो मैं छत पे से छलांग लगा देता या इसे फेंक देता. This is illogical behavior. Please shut the door. Yes, come in. Yeah. Understand that? मेरे साथ अगले साल अगर तुमने ऐसा कोई भी काम करा जैसा भी करा है, तो either I will throw you off the roof or I will jump. One of the two things. What is the logic here, guys? She went downstairs. She came back. She's saying, "आप अभी थोड़ी ना change करते. Where is my t-shirt? Thank God. I thought she didn't have my t-shirt." Okay. Divya, don't sit with her. She will corrupt your mind as well. You're already corrupt, but she will corrupt your whole mind. I'm telling you. Atanya, you are infectious. Sit alone somewhere. I can't believe it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. I have some crazy people in my class. Do you agree, guys? We have some crazy people in our class. My goodness. We are studying about Babar Ali. Okay, Babar Ali text. Yes, beta. The book? Mine. Write your name at the top of the book, please. Please come in. Please come in. I think it is. No. Okay. She has a book. Yes, sit here. Babar Ali. What do you know about his day? Tell me about his day. Tell me about his day. Tell me about his day. He has no free time. He gets up at 5 and then helps his mother with the housework. And then at 8 o'clock, he goes to school, right? Yeah, by bus. The school is 3 miles away, right? The school is 3 miles away. Yeah, he studies hard until 4 p.m. And then he travels back to his village. When he comes back to his village, he doesn't go to play. No, he has no time to play. He starts his classes. And what time does he start his classes? At 5, right? And continues. He teaches until 8. Yeah. He says he's never tired. He loves teaching. He's never tired. That's his day. That's how he spends his day. Your day is different, right? You get up maybe 6 o'clock, not 5. Some of you maybe get up at 4 o'clock, right? Your day. And then you guys go for a walk, you go on the roof, right? Or you watch some TV, or you use your phone. I don't know. Everybody has a different day. They spend their day differently. Babar spends his day this way. He has no free time. So yesterday, we made questions. The answers are 5 o'clock in the morning. The question is, what time
Does
does
he go
Babar get up? What time does Babar get
to
up?
get to?
Hello? Yes. Good afternoon. Right. हाँ. ओके, आप महिला कॉलेज के गेट के पास खड़ी हैं? आप गेट, ठीक है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, इंस्ट्रक्शन डायरेक्शन देता हूँ मैं आपको। तो आप गेट के पास खड़ी हैं, आप साउथ डायरेक्शन में देखेंगे, आपको चिकन की दुकानें दिख रही हैं साउथ डायरेक्शन में। हाँ, आप कहाँ खड़ी हो एग्जैक्ट बताओ मुझे। आप कहाँ खड़े हो पहले ये बता दो मुझे। गेट पे, और आपको चिकन की दुकानें दिख रही हैं? तो आप उस डायरेक्शन में बढ़ो और जो पहली गली लेफ्ट साइड में मिले उसमें घुस जाओ आप। और जब आप महल महल अंदर बाहर, सॉरी मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, जब आप बाहर निकलोगे गली से, तो आप किसी से पूछना सोनी सर का घर कौन सा है, ठीक है? हाँ हाँ, बस घुस जाओ, पहली लेफ्ट मैंने कहा, सिंपल। चिकन के रास्ते में, हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, पतली सी गली है, हाँ फर्स्ट लेफ्ट ले लो आप, ठीक है? उसमें घुस जाओ। जब आप उस गली से बाहर निकलोगे, किसी से पूछना सोनी सर का घर कौन सा है। मैं भेजू किसी को पिक करने के लिए आपको? आप अकेले हो, आप अपने भाई के साथ हो? ऑलराइट फाइन, आई एम सेंडिंग समबॉडी, मैं भेज रहा हूँ किसी को, ठीक है? हाँ, चाहिए तो एक लड़की है, अपने भाई के साथ है, वो पतली वाली गली से निकली ही, ठीक है, लेके आ जाइए उन्हें। ओके, तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू।
Yes, sir.
Small sized people, any small sized people, you, okay, and everybody else is big, and you, okay, you please come here. Yeah, Nasir. Yeah, sit here, beta. Vishal, try to make an eye contact, okay? Even though you're sitting far, make an eye contact. Okay, fine. So we were talking about what? Yeah, times. At 5 o'clock. What time does Babar get up? At 8 o'clock in the morning. Question. What time does Babar go to school? Dear Sharik, आपने क्वेश्चन लिखा बेटा, but you did not use the word does. और ये ग्रामर के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे बच्चे, ग्रामर के लिए आपने लिखा है हाउ मेनी आवर्स ही टीच, हाउ मेनी आवर्स ही टीच। ऐसा सही है बोलने के लिए, लेकिन ग्रामर से सही नहीं है बेटा। तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? हाउ मेनी आवर्स डज ही टीच। नाउ यू आर ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट। हाउ मेनी आवर्स डज ही टीच?
H.
Your friend, where is your friend? He's not here today. Oh, okay. Both of you, why don't you come over here? I want some space for those two people who are coming. ठीक है, तो मैं चाह रहा था कि उनके लिए सीट बना लूं। Okay, let's make some room for them. We have some places here. One can come here. You, Nash, here. Yeah, there. Yeah, come here. So, does is an important word, although it contributes nothing to the meaning. ये मीनिंग में कुछ भी कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करता डज के बगैर भी सेंटेंस में सारा मीनिंग है। व्हाट टाइम बाबर स्टार्ट्स क्लासेस, देखो हो गया ना, लेकिन सही नहीं है ग्रामर के हिसाब से। इंग्लिश ग्रामर सेज व्हाट टाइम बाबर स्टार्ट्स क्लासेस के जगह क्या बोलना है? व्हाट टाइम डज बाबर स्टार्ट क्लासेस। ये एक रूल है जिसको स्टिक करना है, जिसको फॉलो करना है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं। इसका कोई मकसद नहीं है कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं मीनिंग में। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स। एक सेंटेंस में दो तरह के वर्ड्स होते हैं, एक जो मीनिंग में कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे और एक जो मीनिंग में नहीं, रूल में कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, ग्रामर में कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे। मैं बताऊं, आई हैव ड्रंक ताड़ी, आई हैव ड्रंक ताड़ी, आई हैव टेस्टेड ताड़ी। तो इस सेंटेंस में मैं ताड़ी हटा दूं तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा मैं किस चीज की बात कर रहा हूं? तो ताड़ी कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है मीनिंग के लिए, ठीक है। मैंने टेस्ट बोला है, टेस्टेड, ठीक है। टेस्ट करने की बात बोल रहा हूं। आप मेरी बात समझ रहे हो ना? बेचने की बात नहीं बोल रहा हूं, टेस्ट करने की बात बोल रहा हूं। मैंने ये नहीं कहा मैंने ताड़ी बेची है, मैंने कहा मैंने ताड़ी टेस्ट की है। आई हैव टेस्टेड ताड़ी, ठीक है। तो टेस्ट और ताड़ी तो मीनिंग में कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं। हैव कौन सा कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा भाई? वो तो कोई मीनिंग में कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर रहा, वो ग्रामर के लिए जरूरी है। कि आप ये कह रहे हैं कि मैंने टेस्ट की है, टेस्ट करता हूं नहीं बोल रहे हैं, टेस्ट किया था नहीं बोल रहे हैं, टेस्ट करूंगा नहीं बोल रहे हैं, आपने कहा टेस्ट किया है। तो इस वजह से वो हैव है। तो कुछ वर्ड्स होंगे। हेलो। यस। हाँ बेटा। तो आपको कोई हमारे स्टूडेंट नहीं मिले रास्ते में पिक करने के लिए? मैंने भेजा था किसी को। आप ऊपर आ जाइए बेटा, आप ऊपर आ जाइए। हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, आपने सही पहचाना, ऊपर आ जाइए बेटा। ऐसे मौके पे थोड़ा स्मार्टनेस दिखाना पड़ता है। जब आप जाते हैं किसी को पिक करने, आपके दिमाग को लगना चाहिए इधर से आ सकता है, इधर से आ सकता है। मैं इधर जाऊं, कहीं इधर से आ गया तो मैं इस जगह पे रहता हूँ, देखता हूँ यहाँ से शायद माय प्लेस देयर इज एन ओपन प्लेस देयर एंड बोथ द स्ट्रीट्स लीड देयर। तो मे बी somebody who is going to pick somebody up, they should be there somewhere. ओके। तो मीनिंग वाले वर्ड्स को हम कंटेंट वर्ड्स कहते हैं। क्या कहते हैं? कंटेंट वर्ड्स कहते हैं। और जो ग्रामर के लिए जरूरी है उसको कहते हैं फॉर्म वर्ड्स। क्या कहते हैं बेटा? फॉर्म वर्ड्स। तो दो तरह के वर्ड्स होते हैं एक सेंटेंस में। नाम मत याद रखना, कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखो। अब बोलो, व्हाट टाइम डज बाबर स्टार्ट क्लासेस? इसमें डज कौन सा वर्ड है बेटा? उसका कोई मीनिंग से लेना देना नहीं है। व्हाट टाइम का जरूरत है, कितने बजे? बाबर, यस बाबर, नॉट यू नॉट मी, बाबर, ओके। सेकंड, स्टार्ट नॉट फिनिश, वो भी है। क्लासेस नॉट स्कूल, नॉट वर्क, ठीक है। तो पॉइंट ये है सम वर्ड्स विल कंट्रीब्यूट टू द मीनिंग। तो आपको समझना होगा मीनिंग वाले वर्ड्स हैं वो। और सम वर्ड्स आर देयर जस्ट फॉर द रूल। आप पहचान लोगे कि ये रूल के लिए है तो बढ़िया है। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। मैं एक और बात बता दूं। टेस्ट मतलब टेस्ट करना, टेस्टेड मतलब टेस्ट करना, टेस्टिंग मतलब भी टेस्ट करना, टेस्ट मतलब भी टेस्ट करना, एस भी लगा रहता। सबको मतलब तो टेस्ट ही करना होगा। वहां पे क्या था? टेस्टेड, आई हैव टेस्टेड। तो अगर आपका दिमाग तेज है तो आप ये देखोगे कि टेस्ट का कितना सारा फॉर्म होता है। यहां कौन सा यूज हुआ है? टेस्टेड। तो इस बात को एक्नॉलेज करोगे आप, खाली टेस्ट नहीं देखोगे, टेस्टेड पे ध्यान दोगे। ये कंटेंट वर्ड और फॉर्म का मिक्सचर है, यहां आ गया। कम ऑन इन, आ जाओ आ जाओ। Yeah. Please come on in. Yes. Shut the door, please. Yes. Take a seat. You message me on WhatsApp 744. Yeah. But you're calling me from a different number now. Okay. Come here. So, देखना, ध्यान देना। ड्रिंक मतलब पीना। ड्रैंक मतलब भी पीना ही होएगा, खाना थोड़ी हो जाएगा, सोना थोड़ी हो जाएगा। ड्रंक मतलब भी पीना ही होगा, ड्रिंकिंग मतलब भी पीना ही रहेगा, ड्रिंक्स मतलब भी पीना ही होगा। बट यू हैव टू नोटिस कि कौन सा बोल रहा है टीचर और ऑडियो फाइल, ठीक है, कौन सा फॉर्म यूज कर रहा है। एंड यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन टू दैट कि मैं भी यही करूं। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। ये है एक कौन ये एटीट्यूड में चेंज कि मुझे इस बात पे ध्यान देना है। ईट मतलब भी खाना, एट मतलब भी खाना, बेचना थोड़ी हो जाएगा। ईटन मतलब भी खाना ही होना है। ईटिंग मीन्स ऑल्सो खाना। ईट्स मीन्स ऑल्सो खाना ही रहेगा। आप ध्यान दो कहां पे कौन सा बोल रहे हैं और उससे किस तरह के हिंदी एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं। पे अटेंशन टू दिस फैक्ट। अगर मैं कहता हूं नो थैंक यू, आई एम नॉट हंग्री, आई हैव ईटन माय डिनर, तो आपको कहना चाहिए अच्छा, आई हैव ईटन माय डिनर सर बोले, आई एम नॉट हंग्री, आई हैव ईटन माय डिनर। ओके, सर बोल रहे हैं भूख नहीं लगा है, हम खाना खा चुके हैं, खा लिए हैं, राइट। और कैसे बोले, आई हैव ईटन माय डिनर। तो ध्यान रखने वाली बात है, डिनर नहीं है, ईट नहीं है, हैव है और ईटन है। ईट में सारे पांच को छोड़ के कौन सा पकड़ा मैंने, ईटन। नहीं प्यास नहीं लगा, हम पानी पी लिए हैं। अगर ऐसा आया, नो नो आई एम नॉट थर्स्टी, आई हैव ड्रंक, ड्रिंक, ड्रैंक, ड्रंक, क्योंकि ईट, एट, ईटन, तो ऐसे ही ड्रिंक, ड्रैंक, ड्रंक वाटर। I've drunk water. No, no, I'm not thirsty. I've drunk water. ये दिमाग ऐसे चला सकते हैं क्या हम लोग? Pay attention to things this way. Learning English will become very easy. But you have to pay attention, of course. A lot of people see drink है ना, बस बात खत्म। वो ध्यान नहीं देते कि वो ड्रैंक है कि ड्रंक है। और कुछ लोगों को तो फर्क नहीं पता होता है। अंडरस्टैंड, यंग किड्स, okay, they don't know the difference. But grown up people, they know V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. They have studied that at school. So apply your understanding now. Apply your knowledge. Fine. 4 o'clock. What is the question? Your book? Yes. 4 o'clock. Thank you. What time does Babar leave school? एक तरीका मेरा हो, कितने बजे स्कूल छोड़ के निकलता है? What time does he leave school? What time does his school finish? What time does his school finish? Right? What time does the school end? No problems. Okay. 5 o'clock in the evening. What time does he start teaching? Does he start teaching? 5 o'clock he starts teaching. What time does he start teaching? And then what time does he finish teaching? What time does he finish the classes? Easy? Okay. Now let's read the last couple of lines. Babar's ambition. Now the school has 650 students. Now the school has 650 students.
650 student.
लगाई दो. Now the school has 650 students. The school
50
has
student.
650 students. I have a suggestion. Go downstairs and you will go downstairs. You. Okay. And do what I'm saying. Don't come with an answer. Okay. Do what I'm saying. Go downstairs. There will be Ruplata ma'am downstairs or maybe Badi auntie. Okay. Whoever. Ask for the spray. Okay. Spray. What? Yeah. Spray bottle with chilled water from the fridge. Chilled water from the in the spray bottle. In the spray bottle. हिंदी में बताओ क्या बोली? क्या लेके आना है? क्या लेके आना है? 1 किलो रसगुल्ला? अच्छा अच्छा, सॉरी, स्प्रे बॉटल। ओके, हाँ हाँ। The water should be cold. The spray bottle, the water should be cold, very cold. Go, go. You can't give up on children. Give up on मतलब किसी पे हार मान लेना. You can't give up on children कि नहीं उससे नहीं होगा. No, they make mistakes, but you have to give them second chance. You have to give them the third chance, fourth chance. They will eventually succeed. They will eventually learn, right? She definitely messed up, right? I sent her to bring my t-shirt. She came with an answer, not with a t-shirt. आप अभी थोड़ी change करोगे. What the hell? Okay. So now you understand what I'm gonna do with her when she sleeps. I'm going to spray chilled water on her face. She will not sleep at all. Okay. So now the school has 650 students. Now the school has 650 students and 10 teachers. And 10 teachers. The school has 10 teachers. My online students, I want to ask you, yesterday when I finished the class, many of you were gone. Why? Khushi, Shama, Shabnam, many of you were gone. Why? At
सर मेरे तो यहाँ पे पावर कट हो गया था इसलिए मेरा नेटवर्क इशू था।
in English, Khushi, there was a power cut. There was a power cut. So you couldn't continue. Right. Shama, what about you?
I can't.
Yeah, Shabnam, you
I
couldn't.
can't join class.
You were there until the end. You were there until the Hindi side.
And
You were there until the मतलब आखिर
and
तक थी. You were there
yes, sir.
until the end.
And
I was there until the end. Shabnam, what will you say? I was there until the
yes,
end.
sir. Until the end.
Yeah, I was there
Until
until the end. आखिर तक थे. I was there until the end. Okay. Babar's school now has 650 students and 10 teachers. And it has 10 teachers now. Okay. Babar wants to study at university. He wants to, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. But he doesn't want to stop teaching. He doesn't want to stop teaching. Now, why is this line? But he doesn't want to stop teaching. इस line को connect करने की क्या जरूरत है? Babar wants to study at university, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. What's the connection? Connection क्या है? जैसे मैं कहता हूं आपसे कि देखो मैं तुम्हें प्यार तो करता हूं लेकिन मैं तुमसे शादी नहीं कर सकता. कनेक्शन है. जिससे प्यार करते हो उससे शादी करने की डिसीजन लेते हैं लोग, राइट? तो यहां पर इसलिए बोले प्यार तो करते हैं आपसे लेकिन शादी नहीं कर सकते, मेरे घर में बड़ी परेशानियां हैं, राइट? ऐसी बात है. तो बट का मतलब समझ में आया? खाते तो बहुत हैं बट
मोटे नहीं होंगे.
मोटे नहीं हो पा रहे. तो यहां भी लेकिन का मतलब समझ में आता है. खाना खाने से लोग मोटे होते हैं, आप नहीं हो पा रहे. यहां क्या कनेक्शन है? बाबर वॉन्ट्स टू स्टडी एट यूनिवर्सिटी बट ही डजंट वांट टू स्टॉप टीचिंग. क्या है कनेक्शन?
गांव के बच्चों को स्टडी मतलब पढ़ाना नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ तो क्या, क्यों, क्या कनेक्शन, क्यों ऐसा करना पड़ेगा? दोनों चीज क्यों नहीं कर सकता?
क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी का
You are clever. Bhai log, the girl is clever. You know, you understand this. The reason, the connection is the village doesn't have a school. So obviously it doesn't have a university. If he wants to go to university, he has to leave the village. He has to go to the city, maybe to Kolkata, right?
Yes.
If he
Kolkata
goes to
University.
Kolkata, can he continue teaching? That's why he's saying that I want to go to university, but I don't want to stop teaching. I want to go to university. Push, push. Yeah. And shut the door quickly. Hold her hands, hold her hands, hold her hands, hold her hands, hold her hands. Yeah. Now sleep. Sleep. Sleep if you can. Sleep if you can. Sleep. Sleep if you can. Okay. Yeah. Just a second, beta. Just a second. Yeah. All right. Is he crying? He is my, most innocent child, most innocent boy in the hostel. He starts crying for small things like water. You can see she's still laughing about it. She's 2 years younger than her. She's 2 years She's not taking it as a punishment, but he took it as, his mind thinks that I have been punished. And that's why he is crying. He's innocent, very innocent. I like it, but he has to grow up a little bit, He has to become a little mature. It is my fun way to keep them awake, no? Because if they're awake, they learn. If they fall asleep, they will not learn. So Babar wants to study at university, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. He
Yes,
doesn't
sir.
want to stop teaching. Because if he leaves village, goes to university, he cannot continue. तो फंस गए हैं। ये तो ऐसी बात हो गई है कि मुझे फर्स्ट डिवीजन भी आना है, लेकिन मुझे पढ़ने का मन नहीं करता। So, I mean, not the best, analogy, but anyway, I always want to teach poor children. I always want to teach. What is the solution? He wants to study at university, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. What is the solution? What is the solution? Come on, guys. Easy. Distant course. He will do a distance course, online course. He'll study online. He'll do a distance course, correspondence course. He will not go and attend university classes. He will study from home. So he will get a degree and he will also continue teaching.
Yes.
Right. Now, take a look here. Exercise 4. Read the sentences about Babar. Babar's ambitions. Exercise 4. Are you? No. You went back to the wrong page. You haven't finished all the exercises. This book is interesting. You see, you have to go back to the page sometimes. You don't always move forward. You sometimes move backward as well. Okay, everybody, look at exercise 4. There are sentences, 4 of them. Are they true or they are false? They are false sentences or true sentences?
False.
False sentences. Open your book, come on. Yeah, look at the sentences here. No books there. Okay, what do I say? You can come here, he can sit there maybe. Yeah, you can come over here. Beta, come and sit here. Yeah. Exercise 4. The school has 60 students. Is that right? Correct it. We just read.
No.
The school doesn't have
No, wrong.
60 students. The school doesn't have 60 students. The school has 650 students.
650
The
students.
school has 650 students.
50 students.
Right.
50 student.
Yeah. It has 5 teachers.
Wrong.
It doesn't have 5 teachers. It has 10 teachers. 10 teachers. It has 10
10
teachers.
teachers.
It has 10 teachers. Babar wants to stop teaching.
No, wrong.
He
Babar
never wants to stop teaching. He never
Never
wants
want
to
to
stop
stop
teaching.
teaching.
He wants to be a doctor. No,
wrong.
he doesn't want to be
Doesn't
a
want
doctor.
to
He
be
wants to go
doctor.
to university, but
Yeah.
he wants to remain a teacher. He wants to remain a teacher. मतलब समझ रहे ना? टीचर ही बने रहना चाहता है. और टीचर है ना? And he wants to remain a teacher. You are single? Prince Babu, you are single? You want to remain single. Do you want to remain single, Prince Babu? सर क्या जुल्म कर रहे हो सर? नो सर, जल्दी जल्दी चेंज कराओ सर. ओके. 3 दिन सप्ताह में मगड़ा घाट, क्या नाम है? धनेश्वर घाट. ठीक है? शनिवार, मंगलवार और एक और दिन कोई बनता है. ठीक है? हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Your tag will change. You don't want to remain single. You don't want to remain single.
Continue.
Okay. Vishal is very innocent. He's very. Does he want to
Innocent.
remain innocent? I don't know. Okay, remain मतलब समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. I am poor and I want to remain poor. I'm poor and I want to remain poor. It means I want to stay poor. I don't want to change. I don't want to become rich. I want to remain poor. Okay? कुछ पता समझ में आ गया? ये वर्ड नहीं सुना होगा पहले, लेकिन समझ में तो आ गया ना? Prince doesn't want to remain सिंगल। ओके फाइन। तो इतने सारे लोग हैं, कुछ हो ही जाएगा, टेंशन मत लो। ठीक है, सब अपने अपने नेटवर्क में फैला देंगे बात। ओके डोंट वरी। Babar wants to stop teaching. Now he doesn't want to stop teaching. He wants to be a doctor. No, he doesn't want to be a doctor. He wants to remain a teacher all his life. He wants to be a teacher all his life. Yeah. He wants to be a teacher all his life. I also want to remain a teacher all my life. But I want to decrease the number of hours I teach. I teach a lot of hours, okay? But I don't want to teach so many hours. It's not very nice. You want to improve quality, then teach less hours, okay? You can do better. When teachers work a lot, the quality suffers. Done. Any problems? I will give you guys a couple of minutes to go through Babar Ali text from the beginning. Go through the text. Wherever you have a problem, feel free to talk to me. Read the text. Babar Ali text. 2 minutes, everybody. Any problems that comes to your mind, talk to me. Read nicely. Read the text. The text, beta. The text. Yes, beta. You have a question? नहीं दिख रहा, कोई बात नहीं, जबरदस्ती पढ़ लो. We will get you a new book, beta. Okay? Yes, beta. Do you have a question? A question? Ask me. Exchange? क्यों करना? Okay. Okay. All right. Read. Shamnam beta, you have written a sentence. What time does his school is closed? ठीक है बेटा, याद करो. Does के बाद subject, subject के बाद verb one. याद है सारे लोगों को? Does के बाद subject, subject के बाद हमेशा does he stop, does he teach, does he want, यही है ना? Does his school के बाद is कैसा है मेरे बच्चे? तो बस आपको ये कहना चाहिए था, what time does his school close? Does his school close? उसका स्कूल कितने बजे बंद होता है? तो आंसर 4 बजे बेटा. His school closes at 4 o'clock, not 5 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
His school closes, close नहीं, closes, बंद होता है. His school closes at 4 o'clock. ये जो लिखा है नंबर 4 में बेटा, वो क्या नहीं चाहता है? वो क्या नहीं
नहीं, सर.
चाहता है? What doesn't he want? What
Doesn't he want?
want? What doesn't he want? He doesn't want to stop teaching. When does he get up? शबनम बेटा, when does he get up? फिर आपने लिखा ही गेट अप, फिर से एक बार वही गलती। क्या कर लिखना चाहिए था शबनम?
Gets up.
पता है दिमाग को, लेकिन दिमाग मानता नहीं ना। He gets up. What does he want? Does बता दिए तो S नहीं चाहिए बेटा, ये S के बदले तो does आया है, पढ़ाया मैंने आपको।
Yes, sir.
तो फिर ये S क्यों है जब does आ गया? तो what does he want? He wants to study at university. What does he teaches? What does he teach बेटा? शबनम,
Teach.
what does he teach? And who does he help? Who does he help का आंसर क्या करेंगे? Who does he help? He helps his mother. Who does he help? ठीक है, और एक सवाल और, what does he help his mother with? What does he help his mother with? ये सवाल डिफिकल्ट लगेगा। What does he help his mother with? He helps his mother with what? What does he help his mother with? He helps his mother with the housework. Okay, let's talk to the new students a little bit. Your name is Shaina. Okay, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है। शाइना, कॉन्फिडेंट, हाँ, ये शाई ना, कॉन्फिडेंट, हाँ, गुड। एंड यू? अजहर अली। ऑलराइट, तो शाइना, कॉन्फिडेंट, हाँ। what are your qualifications? You don't understand? You go to high school, you go to college, you go to, you finished college, what? Okay, 11th, 12th? You are in 12th right now. Have you finished? You've not taken the exam. You're going to take the exam next year. Oh, you're my daughter's class. You're in my daughter's class. She's also going to take class 12th exam next year. And Azhar? Okay, very good. What subject did you study, Azhar? PCB. Okay, biology. Right. And you are studying the same, PCB. All right. You guys don't enjoy maths. I love maths. Maths is one of my favorite subjects. But I'm a very bad teacher of maths. You know why? I don't have patience when I teach maths. A student makes silly mistakes and I want to kill them. You make mistakes with English, no problems. Look, Shabnam made mistakes. I corrected her again without getting angry. But if you do this in maths, I might go to jail because I would kill you. So I don't teach maths. Even at school, I say, no, don't send me. Don't send me in the math class. Some of the students will come out on a stretcher. They will be in hospital and I will be in jail. I don't have patience with maths. Like my maths is great, but when I'm teaching, I don't have patience. Students don't understand something, I start yelling at them. I start shouting at them. समझ नहीं आ रहा भोकू, like this, देखो. But with English, I don't know, I change. As a teacher, when I'm teaching English and you keep making the same mistakes, I have a lot of patience with you, but not with math. Sorry. My weakness. Done? There is another exercise. Exercise 5. Look back at exercise 1. Look back at exercise. वापस देखते हैं. किसको? Exercise 1. Were your answers correct? Let's find out. Number 1. We said Babar gets up at 5 a.m. Our answer is correct, right? Babar gets up at, he doesn't get up at 8. He doesn't get up at 8. He gets up at 5, right? So our guess was right. Next. Where is Divyanshu? Okay. Hey, no writing, just listen. Don't be silly. 2, he helps his mother in the house. He helps his father at work. What did we learn? What did we say?
He helps
The
his
right
mother
answer
in
is,
the
the right
house.
answer is, he helps his mother in the house.
In his house.
He doesn't help his father at work. He doesn't help his father at work.
At
He
work.
helps his mother in the house. जरा कंफर्म करता हूँ कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. शाइना बेटा, he helps his mother in the house. मतलब बाबर अली helps his mother in the house. कुछ मतलब समझ में आया मेरे बच्चे? क्या हुआ इसका मतलब? Just a second. Now go on. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Very good. He helps his mother in the house. He doesn't help his father at work. Good. Number 3, what did we say? He goes to school by bus. And the right answer is he goes
He
to
goes
school
to
by
school by
bus.
bus.
He doesn't go to school by car. Why did we guess the correct answer? Because we saw in the photos that it is a village. And the people don't look very rich. Only rich people go to school by car.
Car.
So our mind subconsciously decided Babar goes to school by bus. Okay, number 4. He studies hard until 4,
4 p.m.
right?
4
Yeah, not until 1 p.m. He studies hard until 4
4
p.m.
p.m.
His school finishes at 4 p.m. Number 5, beta. He begins his
His
homework at 5 p.m. He begins the classes at 5 p.m.
His
That's
homework
the
is
fact. He
10 p.m.
begins the classes at 5 p.m. Free classes for poor children, right? Okay, number 6. Then when does he do his homework? I think he does his homework at school. Some smart children do their homework also at school. Yeah. Number 6. He likes his work. Well, yes, he doesn't want to stop
Yes,
teaching. He doesn't want
yes,
to
sir.
stop
Stop
teaching.
teaching.
Clearly, he likes his work. He likes his work. What about number 7? How do you know it is true? He teaches English. He teaches English. He teaches English. But there are a lot of teachers who teach English but don't speak English,
Only
right? So how can you be so confident that he speaks English? Well, we don't
no,
know. We don't know for
don't
sure.
know.
We don't know for sure. Pakka pakka nahi pata. We don't know for sure.
Sure.
Yeah. Maybe he speaks English. Maybe he doesn't speak English. We are not sure here. But he teaches English. There are a lot of teachers who teach English but don't speak English. They teach English but they don't speak English.
I speak English.
Number 8, beta. He wants to go to university. You know, Shama, you are sitting with Shabnam in the same room, and that's why you cannot unmute yourself together. Okay, one person unmutes, the other person has to be on mute. Well done, everybody. Role play. Role play is fun. When you were small, you did role play. I'm the teacher, you are the students. You played that game when you were kids. You asked your friends to sit down and you were the teacher, or maybe you were the student and your friend was the teacher. So when you play teacher, you are usually the teacher or the student. You never play that game. You never play. In your childhood, you never played that game. Did you play that game, Divyanshu? Teacher, student game? You played the teacher's role or the student's role? What role did you play? He doesn't understand when I speak. He's a clever boy, but with zero exposure to English. Zero exposure. Just like my dear Vishal. Very clever boy, but he had very little exposure to English. But in last 3 months, he has bounced so much forward, okay? Because he's getting the exposure. He's one of the quickest learners here. One of the quickest learners. Quick learners, quickest. He's one of the quickest learners. He learns really fast. Beta, just listen to me with all your focus. Fine, role play. Here, there are 8 questions. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Imagine that you meet one of students of Babar. Okay, you meet one of the students of,
Babar.
and you're talking to him. What will you ask him? You will ask him questions? Complete the questions. Everybody, complete the questions.
How many students in your class?
Think. Very good. You can write if you have a pencil. Complete the questions, everybody. I'll give you some time. Complete the questions. Vishali's up too, right? He's up. Awake. Look. And you haven't fallen asleep. See the power of brain? They haven't fallen asleep the second time.
What time?
Aarti isn't present today now in the class. Number one, what would you ask? How many students are in your school? How many students are there in your school? Right, beta? केगो बच्चा है तुम्हारे स्कूल में? Right? You will ask this question. Number two, How many teachers
many
are
teachers?
there, right? Number 3. What time does your school start? तुम्हारा स्कूल कितने बजे शुरू होता है? What do you think he will say? What will he say? It starts at
8
5
o'clock.
o'clock. 5 o'clock. No, 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 no. You're not talking to Babar Ali. You're talking to Babar's student. You're talking
Okay.
to Babar's student, right? What time does your school start? It starts at 5 o'clock. And what time does it finish? It finishes at 8 o'clock. Number 4. How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
112 pound per year.
Lalulal, here. Hey. What time does the school finish? How much does the school cost? How much do you pay? Right? How much do you? How much does the school cost? How much does the school? How much does the school cost? स्कूल में कितना फी है लगता है? Babar's students don't pay anything. The school is free.
Free.
Don't forget. Babar pays
Babar के
when he goes to school. But where he teaches in the evening, he does not ask for money. He doesn't take any money. He just teaches poor children for free. Number 5. What's your teacher's name? क्या जवाब देगा वो? Babar Ali. Right. Next, 6. Is he a good teacher? I'm sure his students like him, right? Next. What does he teach? Maths, Bengali, history, English. Oh my goodness. Yeah. History too. Number 8.
Does he work hard?
Does he work hard? Yeah. He goes to school in the morning and then comes and then he teaches in the evening. He works very hard. Okay. I also do the same, but I don't do it for free. That's the difference. Right. I don't do it for, I teach in the morning at school and I teach here in the evening, in the afternoon. Okay. But I can't afford to teach for free. That's the problem. I have a family to look after. By the way, I'll tell you, this character is a real character in West Bengal, and the government has recognized his efforts, and the government has decided to make Anand Shiksha Niketan a government school. So government gives all the funds to this school, salary to the teachers, free books to the children, school uniform, lunch, afternoon meal, everything. Because it is so inspiring. A young boy starts something like this, helps so many people, 650 children, not 1 or 2 or 10 or 20 children, 650 children he is helping. So the government decided to recognize his school as a government school. Yeah, and everybody gets a salary now, and the children get free books. The children get a scholarship from governments as well. It's a real story. The BBC covered this man's story, and you can find a documentary on YouTube. If you search Babar Ali West Bengal, then you will find a documentary by the BBC on YouTube.
Yeah.
And then you will find out that at first Babar Ali couldn't speak English, but now he speaks some English. He has learned. Okay, so let's do the role play. 2 people will work together. One person will become the journalist, and the other person will be Babar's student. So the journalist will ask questions, and Babar's student will reply. Okay? Make it natural. Make it like a real conversation. Get into the character. Do you want to be a journalist or something? For 5-10 minutes, you are going to be a journalist, and you will ask the questions. Hello, can I ask you some questions about your school? Yes, yes, why not? So, how many students are in your school? In my school, there are को कभी बुरा मत मानना सीखते समय। वो लोग जो ऐसा बकवास करते हैं ना, उनको सीखने का सा नहीं पता, लर्निंग का एल नहीं पता उनको। ठीक है, जो बच्चों को कहते हैं मत करो, तुमने बच्चे को कभी बोला है बोलते समय तू तू ऐसे करने को मना किया है कि ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो, सही से बोलो, ऐसा बोला है तुमने बच्चे को? जाहिल लोग जो सीखने के प्रोसेस में होते हैं, उनको कोई चीज के लिए मनाही नहीं होती है। वो जैसे जैसे बेहतर होते जाएंगे, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर हार्ड वर्क एंड द टीचर, दे विल कीप गेटिंग बेटर। वो सब छोड़ देंगे, वो ठीक है। हाउएवर, वो दिस इज नॉर्मल इन कॉन्वर्सेशन, लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू इट, नॉट ऑन द स्टेज। स्टेज पे जाके नहीं करना चाहिए, बट अगेन इट्स नॉट इजी। हम लोग बातचीत में तो करते रहते हैं, हिंदी में नहीं करते। सोच रहे ज्यादा नहीं करना चाहिए। ओके, फाइन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट, शैल वी? आर वी रेडी एवरीबॉडी? आर वी रेडी फॉर द रोल प्ले? फाइन देन, आई एम ओपनिंग द रूम्स फॉर यू गाइस। आज जो कॉल करेंगे ब्रेकआउट रूम्स, आई एम इनवाइटिंग यू देयर। I'm inviting you to the breakout room, people. Do your best. Shabnam and Shama, you guys can do the role play together, okay? In your
Okay, sir.
place. Sharik beta, I'm putting you with Kahkashan Sharik, and I'm putting Khushi and Rishikesh together. All right? So, guys, go ahead, join the breakout room and do the role play. Let me put the questions in the group as well. Do your best. First of all, try to get into the character. That's important. Let's start, everybody. Role play. Okay, role play. You don't have a partner, beta, there. Two. Okay, never mind. So you two are working together? All right. And do one thing. You work with him. You, beta, can you work with your friend behind you? Can you work with your friend behind you? Him? Yep. Okay. You brother and sister together today. अभी it's your first day. जो जैसा बन पड़ता है कोई बात नहीं है, ठीक है? Divyanshu, why don't you practice with my dear Shreshi? Shreshi, beta, come this way. Come this way with your chair. Come. Start your role play. Start your practice. क्या करना पता होना चाहिए, नहीं पता है तो पूछ लो क्या करना है। How much does it cost? How much does it important enough? Does it cost? You are Babar's student. You are Babar's student. Imagine. He's interviewing Babar's student. Babar's school का पता चल गया ना? The answer. Good. Now he will be the journalist and you are the student. Good. Very good. How did you feel? पता है आप भी बहुत तेज बच्चे हो दिमाग से ना। आपको बचपन से इंग्लिश का माहौल मिला जो आपको टीचर्स मिले ना, अगर इनको भी वही टीचर्स मिल जाते बचपन से, इनकी भी इंग्लिश खराब हो जाती है ना बेटा। क्योंकि बच्चे को इंग्लिश भाषा कैसे सुनना, उनके कान में इंग्लिश जान, किताबों से बहुत कम समझ आए, कान में जाए तो बहुत कुछ समझ आने लगता है। आपको कान में जाते थे इंग्लिश जब आप छोटे थे तो सही ना, इसकी वजह से मुश्किल है। और ये जो अभी अच्छा आप कंपेयर करो, मैं भी बोलता हूँ इंग्लिश और आपने कहा था कि आपके सर भी बोलते हैं इंग्लिश, कुछ फर्क है क्या? क्या Good. All right, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's stop. I try to speak slowly. You know, normally when people speak English in the class, majority of them have the attitude to show it off. But as a teacher, when my students have come here to learn from me, they have already acknowledged that my English is good. Why do I need to show off my English? It is very, very small of teachers in the class to show off their English to their own students. Yes, if you find me talking to somebody else, maybe I will have the intention to show off a little bit, but not to you people. I will only talk to you with one intention: how I can help you while I'm speaking. And that's my only motive when I'm speaking to you. Motive, purpose. I want to help you with my talking. Now, time to listen to a model conversation between a journalist and Babar's student. Let's get ready, everybody. Let's listen. 2.3. You did the conversation. Now listen to this conversation and compare. Compare. 2.13.
Tape script 2.13. An interview.
Can I ask you some questions about your school?
Yes, of course.
How many students are in your school?
There are 650 now.
That's quite a lot. And how many teachers?
10 teachers.
And what time do your classes start?
5 o'clock every day.
Don't give up. Don't give up.
How much does it cost?
Oh, the school is free.
Very good. And your teacher, what's your teacher's name?
Babu Ali.
Focus
He's
on-
only 16.
16? That's amazing. Is he a good teacher?
He is very good indeed.
What does he teach?
He teaches English, Bengali, history, and maths.
That's a lot of subjects.
Focus on
Does he work hard?
Oh, yes, very hard. He studies all day and he teaches us every evening. He's the best teacher in the world.
You got to focus on the sound. You got to focus on the sound. Listen, some young people here, they think because समझ नहीं आ रहा छोड़ देते हैं. Initially it is difficult, but सबसे ज्यादा आप ही को आसान होने वाला है क्योंकि आप कम उम्र के हो. आपको सबसे ज्यादा जल्दी समझ में आएंगी आवाजें. So don't give up. हार मत मानो. क्या बोला करते रहो. Okay?
Tape script 2.13. An interview.
Can I ask you some questions about your school?
Yes, of course.
How many students are in your school?
There are 650 now.
That's quite a lot. And how many teachers?
10 teachers.
And what time do your classes start?
5 o'clock every day.
How much does it cost?
Oh, the school is free.
Very good. And your teacher, what's your teacher's name?
Babu Ali. He's only 16.
16? That's amazing. Is he a good teacher?
He is very good indeed.
What does he teach?
He teaches English, Bengali, history, and maths.
That's a lot of subjects. Does he work hard?
Oh, yes, very hard. He studies all day and he teaches us every evening. He's the best teacher in the world.
Tape script 2.13.
Now, after 2 times, I'll pause after each line and explain.
An interview.
Can I ask you some questions?
Can I ask you some questions? Repeat. Can I ask you some questions?
You some question.
Can I ask you?
Can I ask
आपके भाई से मैं कुछ सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ? Can I ask
your brother some
your
question?
brother some
Some
questions?
question.
Right? मैं आपके पापा से कुछ सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ?
Can I ask some question your father?
Can you ask
Can
you
I
some
ask your father some questions? यानी जिससे सवाल पूछना है वो आस्क के बाद है ना, यही गौर करिए. कैसे बोल रहे हैं? Can I ask you? Can I ask your father some questions? हिंदी.
your mother question?
आपके पापा से कुछ सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ. से के लिए कोई इंग्लिश है बेटा? Can I ask your father some questions? Next.
About your school.
About your school. About your
Okay.
आपके परिवार के बारे में मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ.
Can I ask some question
Can I
about
ask
your
you
family?
some questions
About your family?
about your family?
Take.
आपकी पढ़ाई के बारे में कुछ सवाल पूछूं मैं आपसे?
Can I ask you
Can
some
I-
question about
Some
your study?
questions about your studies? Easy?
Yes, sir.
मैं आपकी पत्नी के बारे में कुछ सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ? बकवास बंद करो. All right. Can I ask you some
Some
questions
question
about your wife?
wife.
Your wife.
Okay.
No.
Got it? Easy? Easy. Yeah. Can I ask you some questions about your school?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I have no problems. Why not? Okay, why not?
How many students are in your school?
How many students are in your school? How many students are in your school?
There are 650 now.
There are 650 now. There are 650 now. Hindi? वो तो ठीक
650
है, लेकिन जिस टोन में उसने बोला है ना, आप उसको पकड़ नहीं पा रहे दोस्तों। आपको और गहरे जाना होगा।
अभी तो 650 स्टूडेंट्स।
Ask you some questions about your school.
टोन पकड़ो।
Yes, of course.
How many students are in your school?
There are 650 now.
There are 650 now. ठीक है, but the tone he is using, I think he is saying अब तो 650 हो गया है, अब तो 650 बच्चा हो गया है. There are 650 now. There are 650 now.
50 now.
Okay, yeah.
That's quite a lot.
That's quite a lot. Reaction. That's quite a lot. इतना बच्चा है, ढेरे बच्चा है. That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. अगर इसको कंपेयर करेंगे बिहारी में, तो किस चीज से मिल रहा है ये लाइन? ढेरे बच्चा है,
ढेर बच्चे.
बड़ी बच्चा है. That's quite a lot.
Yes.
That's quite a lot. Let me give you another example so that your mind will open up. Okay, let's see. How many friends do you have on Facebook? I have about 3,000 friends. 3,000 friends? That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. How much do you earn? 70, 80,000 rupees a month? That's quite a lot. Vishal, beta, pay attention. Vishal, stop. That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. ढेरे ही तो यार 50, 70,000 रुपया. That's quite a lot. Vishal, don't do that.
And how many teachers?
And how many teachers? And how many teachers?
10 teachers.
10 teachers. How many shirts do you have? I have about 20, 25 shirts. 25 shirts. That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. You understand that expression? Can you use it in day-to-day life? It's easy. When you think the quantity is big, that's quite a lot.
And what time do your classes start?
And what time do your classes start? What time do your classes start? What time do your classes start? इसका हिंदी क्या हुआ दिव्या? What time do your classes start? कितने बजे चालू होता है ना? What time do your classes start?
5 o'clock every day.
5 o'clock every day.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost? पैसा कितना लगता है? How much does it cost? Does it cost? यहाँ does क्यों है? Cost में s नहीं है. Verb है cost, उसमें s नहीं है. जब positive बोलेंगे तो बोलेंगे it costs. s आ जाएगा वापस. Does out. It costs. Negative बोलेंगे तो it doesn't cost. Right? किसने पूछ दिया आपसे you go to a spoken English class, कितना लगता है? कैसे पूछेगा? You go to a spoken English class. How much does it cost? You go to a spoken English class. How much does it cost?
Oh, the school is free.
Oh, the school is free. The school is free.
Very good.
Very good. The school is free. Very good. Reaction, obviously. Very good.
And your teacher? What's your teacher's name?
And your teacher? What's his name? What's his name? Your teacher's name?
Babar Ali.
Babar Ali. His name is Babar Ali.
He's only 16.
इसने ऐड कर दिया ये जानकारी. कभी कभी हम अपने तरफ से कुछ बोलते हैं ना, उसने अपने तरफ से बोल दिया. He is only 16. 16 साल के हैं सिर्फ वो.
16.
16? Surprise in his inner tone. Can you notice the surprise in her tone? 16?
That's amazing.
That's amazing. So amazing means something easy to believe or not very easy to believe. Not easy to believe. Good or bad? Usually good. That's
Good.
amazing. That's amazing. She's happy to hear that the teacher is 16, but she's also very surprised. That's amazing.
Is he a good teacher?
And that's why she asked this question. Is he a good teacher? He's only 16. Is he a good teacher?
He is very good indeed.
He's very good indeed. He is very good indeed. Now, what is indeed? He's very good. He's very good indeed. Now, listen to this. वो सुंदर है वो सच में
सुंदर है।
सुंदर है। अब इन दोनों सेंटेंस में क्या फर्क है? वह सुंदर है, वो सच में सुंदर है। क्या फर्क है दोनों में? मतलब पहले वाले में झूठ में थी, यही कहना चाह रहे हो? पहले वाले सेंटेंस में वो झूठ में सुंदर थी, क्योंकि दूसरे वाले में तुमने कहा वो सच में सुंदर है। आज बहुत गर्मी है, सच में बहुत गर्मी है। तो मतलब पहले सेंटेंस और दूसरे सेंटेंस में फर्क क्या है? मैं इंग्लिश में तो बात कर नहीं रहा, तो कोई परेशानी तो है नहीं इंग्लिश वाली, तो मुझे बताइए। आज बहुत गर्मी है, आज सच में बहुत गर्मी है।
बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी
और पहले वाले में गर्मी कम है,
उससे भी ज्यादा गर्मी।
उससे भी ज्यादा गर्मी। तो पहले आप थर्मामीटर लेके नापोगे तब बोलोगे, है ना? तो एक ही दिन दोनों बात नहीं बोल सकते ना, कि एक बार बोले आज गर्मी, बहुत गर्मी, और दूसरी बार आज बहुत, सच में बहुत गर्मी नहीं बोल सकते, क्योंकि ज्यादा गर्मी होगी तब ये बोलेंगे। यही
उम्मीद से
कहना चाह
ज्यादा
रहे?
गर्मी है।
हाँ जी, क्या कहा?
उम्मीद से ज्यादा गर्मी है।
खुशी, उम्मीद से ज्यादा गर्मी हो तो समझ में आ गया, लेकिन मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि मैंने बोला आज बहुत गर्मी है, फिर थोड़ी देर बाद बोला सच में बहुत गर्मी है, तो
उसको
नहीं,
भरोसा दिलाने के लिए
मैं कह
सर।
रहा हूँ आज बहुत गर्मी, तो कंफर्म नहीं है कि गर्मी है। कुछ भी मैंने कहा आज बहुत गर्मी है, इसमें कंफर्म नहीं है कि बहुत गर्मी है। क्या बात है! देख रहे, छोटे बच्चे इतनी बकवास बातें कैसे कर पाते हैं, पता है? नहीं नहीं, मैं सच बता रहा हूं। अभी उसके बारे में कहा ना, अगर एक साल बाद ये ऐसी बातें मेरे सामने बोला ना, या तो मैं कूद जाऊंगा या तो इसको फेंक दूंगा। मतलब बात समझ जाओ, मेरे साथ रहने के बाद बस आप एक नॉर्मल आदमी रहोगे, ठीक है? नॉर्मल आदमी में क्या चीज होती है? लॉजिक। हम में और जानवर में क्या फर्क है? दे कांट डू लॉजिक। ये ऐसी बात कैसे आप बोल गए जब मैंने कहा आज बहुत गर्मी है और कंफर्म भी नहीं है, तो मैं किस बल पे बोल रहा हूँ आज बहुत गर्मी? भाई, आपने जब बोला होगा आज बहुत ठंडा है यार, बहुत ठंडा है, और आप कंफर्म नहीं है। ये सारी बातें इनके दिमाग में पिछले 5-6 सालों में इंग्लिश के नाम पे भरी गई हैं। क्या समझे? सब स्टैंडर्ड टीचिंग, सब स्टैंडर्ड टीचर्स छोटे बच्चों को करप्ट कर देते हैं। ही इज सच अ शार्प माइंड, आई कैन टेल यू। लेकिन ऐसी बातें इसके मुंह से निकल सकती हैं क्योंकि इसको तोता बनाने की पूरी कोशिश की गई है, इंसान से तोता बन जाए। बताइए, आज दूसरा लीजिए ना, फिल्म बहुत अच्छी थी, फिल्म सच में बहुत अच्छी थी। दो लोग आए फिल्म देखकर, एक ने कहा फिल्म बहुत अच्छी थी, दूसरे ने कहा, सच में बहुत अच्छी थी। तो क्या है, क्या फर्क है?
तो हम किसी को यकीन के साथ कहते हैं कि आज बहुत गर्मी है।
एनसीईआरटी की किताब क्लास 6 की हिंदी की आज मैंने पढ़ाई है, ठीक है? और उसमें एक लाइन था, बात पे बल डालना। कौन कौन था उस क्लास में जी? बाबू साहब, बात पे बल डालना अजीब हुआ ना? बात पे क्लास
बल डालना।
6 में पढ़ाया जाता है ये, कि कैसे अपने बात पे बल डालते हो। वहां 2 एग्जाम्पल दिए गए, मैंने अपना बदला ले लिया है, मैंने तो अपना बदला ले ही लिया है। और इससे पूछा जा रहा है बच्चों से क्लास में कि इन दोनों सेंटेंस के बीच क्या फर्क है। वही मैं भी आपके सामने कर रहा हूं भाई। कई बार अपनी बात बताते समय हम अपनी बात पे ज्यादा बल डालते हैं, जोर डालते हैं, एम्फेसाइज करते हैं। मतलब वही है, अपनी बात को ज्यादा एम्फेसाइज कर रहे होते हैं। तो जब हम कहते हैं आज बहुत गर्मी है, परेशान कर रही है, इधर आओ जी, इधर आओ, पढ़ाई के समय ड्रामा, इधर आओ, स्टैंड देयर। ओके, एज आई वाज सेइंग देयर, हाँ, गो स्टैंड देयर। Okay. Yeah. Face the wall. Face the wall. Face the wall. Yep. Good. Now, as I was saying, what was I saying? कि कुछ बातों में बात वही है, वो बहुत सुंदर है, वो सच में बहुत सुंदर है। क्या बात कम सुंदर हो गई? ज्यादा सुंदर हो गई? नहीं, हम अपनी बात में ज्यादा जोर डाले, यही था। तो कई बार हिंदी सेंटेंसेस, भाषा में हमेशा जरूरत पड़ती है, इंसान अपने इमोशन ज्यादा जोर से दिखाना चाहता है। ठीक है, आप एक बार ये वाला सुन लेना। गाली नहीं सिखा रहा आपको, मैं गाली नहीं सिखा रहा, बस बता रहा हूं। ठीक है, तुम बहुत हैं हो, तुम सच में बहुत, तुम सच में बहुत पीने हो। ठीक है, दोस्त बोलते एक दूसरे को। ठीक है, तो ये सच में बोलने का क्या मकसद था? अपनी बात को ज्यादा एम्फेसिस करना। तो इंग्लिश में भी ये होगा, और कुछ वर्ड्स आएंगे, कभी कभी कुछ इंटोनेशन होगा जिससे ज्यादा जोर डालना सिखाया जाएगा। तो आज पहला लेसन लीजिए। इंडीड मेक्स द सेंटेंस मोर एम्फैटिक। शी इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल। शी इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल इंडीड। आपने क्या किया इंडीड करके? यू एम्फेसाइज द सेंटेंस, you made the sentence more emphatic. Vishal, behave yourself. She is very beautiful indeed. I hope you understood. It's very hot today. It's very hot today indeed. It's very hot today indeed. It's very hot. So it's very hot indeed. Indeed करना का मकसद होता है सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या करना? To emphasize the statement. The food is very tasty indeed. अच्छा, एक एग्जांपल सुनिए। Your friend has वो अपनी भाभी की तस्वीर आपको नहीं दिखा रहा, खाली कह रहा है कि बड़ी सुंदर है मेरी भाभी, बड़ी सुंदर है मेरी भाभी। ठीक है, ओके। फाइनली एक दिन उसने तस्वीर दिखा दी और आपके मुंह से निकला, सही में यार भाभी तो तुम्हारी बड़ी सुंदर है। हो गया ना? क्योंकि वो बोल तो रहा था, आप सोच रहे थे झूठ बोल रहा, दिखा नहीं रहा, दिखा नहीं रहा। जिस दिन उसने तस्वीर दिखा, आपके मुंह से क्या निकला? सच में यार तुम्हारी भाभी तो बहुत सुंदर है। योर भाभी इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इंडीड, राइट? So indeed is just an emphasizer. It does not add meaning to the sentence. It just makes the sentence stronger, emotionally emphatic. That's all. So there are many other things that you will learn which make the sentence more emphatic. Indeed is the first lesson in that. Okay? So what is the purpose of indeed? To emphasize the statement. The class was very fun indeed. Class बहुत मजेदार था. The class was very fun indeed. So that's all for today. It is 5:32. I'm wrapping up and I'm sending this audio. घोल के पी जाओ मेरे बच्चों। कल अगर ये कॉन्वर्सेशन में एक लाइन प्ले कराऊं, दूसरा लाइन तुम्हारे मुंह पे होना चाहिए। Got it? So I'm sending this audio. Bye bye everybody. See ya. Bye. Bye bye.